Top 10 cheapest vintage cars. Number 1. Studebaker Starlight, 1952. 1952 Studebaker Starlight Coupe 6, SIL 3-speed manual. Has some rust in rockers' dogleg side vents. Please note the following vehicle location is at our client's home and not in Cadillac, Michigan. If you're interested in other cheap vintage cars, please subscribe to the channel. You'll be very supportive of making videos. Look in the description. Number 2. Ford Super Deluxe, 1951. Very clean, all painted sandblasted underside. Has 4-speed auto 350 Chevy. All-in-car setup car. Is full of parts for its very clean body. Needs some dings, small dents fixed and painted car. Is not running yet, but they say ran good shipping able layaway 1 to 4 months. Number 3. Oldsmobile Toronado, 1967. (1967) Oldsmobile Toronado, the hood hinges, need to replaced 425C automatic transmission. Needs some bodywork and paint. It ran 3 years ago, clean title. Number 4. Chevrolet Caprice, 1973. You are looking at a 1973 Chevrolet Caprice Classic convertible. Only 7,339 built. The E is a project car with no engine or transmission. I do have a 4-door parts car that can go with it for $3,000 more. Feel that my price of $5,000 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one. With the potential that this vehicle has. Number 5. Ford Bronco, 1978. Does not run. Is complete with drivetrain. Engine is seized up. Would make a good project truck. As pretty solid with not a lot of rust. See the video for an up close of the body. Located in white SD. Number 6. Morris Minor, 1959. I have two Morris Minors for sale. A 1959 that is running just needs the rear brakes finished. And a rear end seal installed. I have the parts. Also, a complete 1960 parts car. That the floors are rotted out of. New tires on both cars. If you're interested in other cheap vintage cars, please subscribe to the channel. You'll be very supportive of making videos. Number 7. Chevrolet K10, 1975. It has been through our inspection. N454 Vate, Boss V plow, automatic, 4WD. Go retro with a square body plow truck. N Mechanical originally came with a 400 V8 and now has a big block 454 Vate. The plow works, and we have replaced a cylinder on it. It has a weak cam, possible lobe wore down. Ask to see our inspection or watch the running video. In exterior, the body has some patina with rust and scratches and dents. Number 8. Ford Custom 300, 1957. 1957 Ford Custom 300 4-door post sedan. For sale $5,000. We'll consider reasonable offer. Project car, complete car in need of total restoration. .312 V8 automatic on column VIN B7K. Gone 169,269. B272, SID V87. $1,957K Kansas City. Plant G Custom / Custom 302 door and 4 door. If you want more vintage cars, subscribe.